我是一只不平凡的喵。
His name is Patches. We are looking at the South American Quatamungus. Now you will notice that they look just like raccoons. No surprises. Quatis belong to the same family as raccoons, and just like raccoons, they've got an amazing sense of smell, which would allow them to, look at that, find treats that we've hidden earlier on very, very easily. Now they feed on a wide variety of food, namely fruits, vegetables, rodents, insects, eggs, and occasionally reptiles. They've got really sharp claws, which would allow them to climb trees very, very well. On that note, they are leaving us. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the South American Quatis. Alright, synonymous to that song, we've got the lemurs, to be precise, the ringtail lemur. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you know what? Beautiful thing about the ringtail lemurs is that they are highly social animals. Oh, by the way, they belong to the same family as the primates, right? So it won't come as a surprise. Once again, very social. They move about in big groups, sometimes totaling up to 25 individuals or more. Listen, that one don't want to go to Kai tree. What's going on, Kai? Okay, and another surprise when it comes to ringtail lemurs. Let's see how brave he gets. Alright, now what he's doing at the moment is correct, and he would be expecting a nice food reward right after that. Alright, now as we all know, lemurs are extremely agile animals. In the wild, they are able to jump between with his wrist and his tail. That is sting marking. Lemurs have got scent glands on their wrists, which they will rub onto their tails, and then they will swish their tail at their opponents. The one with the smelliest tail wins the fight. Okay, accessory. But besides that, they are also called the ball fighter. And that's simply because of their habit is back to life. The Rainforest Fights Back, and on behalf of the cast and the crew that make this show possible, thank you very much for joining us. We wish you a lovely day here right here in the Singapore Zoo. This presentation was proudly brought to you by Amphitheatre. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
如果你喜欢我这部影片的话，请大家可以按个赞与分享哦。然后再按一个小铃铛，你收到影片最新的通知咯，谢谢你们哦，喵。